Dr. Irani, these days a lot of diabetologists, talk about anti-gravity exercises. And one of the easiest way to do anti-gravity exercise is staircase climbing, step climbing. So it is said that if one does anti-gravity exercise after 2 hours of meal, that's when the postprandial test is also done, because that is the time when the glucose starts floating in the bloodstream. If I do anti-gravity exercise during that time, the muscles will get activated and the pancreas will not have to release insulin. And instead of pancreas, the muscles will start absorbing the glucose, which is floating in the bloodstream. The question that I'm trying to ask is staircase climbing bad for the knees?
No, I'll say put the points.
Yeah.
When you're saying staircase climbing, it is anti-gravity. So if 1 hour you are climbing steps or walking uphill, the burn of calories 2,500. And you go for a walk. Brisk walk is 500. And a normal gossip walk that we are walking, talking to our friend and we are walking is hardly 200 calories. So after walking for an hour and you have burned 200 calories, you want to stop at an ice cream shop and have an ice cream also, which is 380 calories by 100. That should be a weight. For females, we say minus 105.
Okay.
Because we want them to look prettier. So height in centimeters, you are 160 centimeters. Female should be 55. Other than that, once it is increased more than that, you are getting more load on your knee joint. So 90% of your body weight is coming on the knee joint. Suppose a patient आया knee का complain कर रहा है, एकदम simply अगर हम patient को बोलेंगे आप 5 किलो वजन कम करो, they will become 50% better. Because the ratio of offloading from the knee joint is 1:4. So reducing 5 kg means offloading 20 kg from the knee joint.
Yes. Okay.
So many of the patients just ask them to reduce weight and show them the quadriceps strengthening exercise, what you can see. And that's the treatment.
Okay. So this particular exercise will help them,
yes,
alleviate the knee pain. Okay.